Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you part 2.
Yeah, kind of. We've just finished the 1 ounce, but I wanted to break these ones up into a separate video because these are kind of legal in their own, I think.
These are special.
Yes. And we're interested to see if they've put all the different... I'm expecting a few different types of these ones, so interesting to see if they've put them all in this one box or... if I have
Not looking good.
If I have to go hunting for something else.
I think you're going to have to go hunting, mate.
Maybe we'll see.
It doesn't weigh enough for all that I ordered, I'll put it that way.
It's always the problem with doing these unboxings on camera as opposed to just figuring it all out beforehand.
Yeah.
What's actually in there? I don't know.
You never really know, and they don't make the delivery notes very clear on these types of things.
Yes.
So at least
They try and keep it a little incognito. Well, I have at least grabbed the right type of box because I'm seeing some thin tubes in there.
Hey, look, you might be right, because they're Incused, they're buffs. There's at least 2 types in here.
Let's pull them out and see. We've got some fractional 1/10 silver in here, Michael.
In fact, let's be vaguely... Oh no, that's not going to work for me either. Alright, let's have a look. These are all 1/10 silver we're unboxing, so just in time for great Christmas presents, because they're not yeah, that's the word I was looking for, stocking stuffers, because they're a good cheap price per coin, not if you're looking at them on a per ounce basis.
I was going to say, I think we need to kind of go through why would someone buy a 1/10 versus...
There's lots of reasons.
Ounces.
They're cool for a start. Let's be honest.
It's a valid reason sometimes. But
they're also very good for giving away those types of things because it's a conversation starter. They're also very good to have if you're looking at, well, what if I need to trade in a smaller amount than a 1 ounce coin? Silver's gone to the moon. I need something a little more fractional. This is right down your alley for the fractional stuff. So we can see that this is almost a complete replica of the eagle. It's called a Walking Liberty. 1/10.
Awesome.
So that's that one.
I'm going to be heavily reliant on some close-up shots of these, I think. But
yeah.
I'll leave them there on the table just so you can kind of get an idea of scale, because obviously when I blow it up, it'll be a little bit harder to see the scale we're working with.
So these ones fascinate me. These are Incused. So I don't know if you'll pick it up on the camera, but they're actually they're Incused. They're actually recessed into the coin itself. So you'll see it's a fairly recognisable design.
Absolutely.
But it's almost reversed. Instead of it being the design being raised up off the planchet, off the face of the coin, it's actually recessed into the coin. Oh, this is going to get so confusing. Because they haven't marked all the different ones.
All the different tubes. They're giving you a rough idea, but...
Not really, they haven't. Not really at all, have they?
Look at you. I think there's at least one there that I know we haven't done yet.
Yeah, all right.
So that's one. If there's any more than that, I don't know how we're going to go hunting for them.
Oh man, they're making this hard work.
Well, I mean, if you were packaging these over in the States and you knew you were sending it to Bullion Now and it was going to be unboxed live on camera, you might have a bit of fun with it.
Yeah. So that's a buffalo. Looks very similar to the 1 ounce buffalo of the similar nature. I mean, look at how am I meant to know? Like that's 1/10 Incused. Does that go that way or does that go that way? Or which one's the 1/10 Incused? Because that one was that there, which is the same as that one there.
I suspect it may be a no rhyme or reason, Michael. And
there's a 4th one in there somewhere.
Let's pull some of the blank tubes until we get lucky, I reckon.
Don't know about that, mate.
All right, we got lucky. we got there eventually.
So the 4th type, and we have had these in before. So these are the 1/10 Spade guinea.
Spade guineas, but not with that obverse.
Yeah, it's got King Charles on it, and I'm just trying to find the year. Can you see the year on yours, mate?
We are looking at 2023.
It is a 23, isn't it?
Yep.
So we've got the 1/10s in. They won't last long. They never really do. We haven't got a huge number of them. We've got 4 different types. I want to be really, really clear. They don't look much per coin, but when you go, well, this is 1/10, and if I multiply that out to a 1 ounce, they are expensive. It's going to be far cheaper to buy a 1/10, correction. It's going to be far cheaper to buy a 1 ounce silver coin than it is to buy a 1/10. It gets back to all those types of things, whether you're buying sugar in the supermarket or whether you're buying precious metals. The bigger the size, the cheaper it becomes on a per ounce or per gram basis. So don't be shocked when you look it up and go, oh, that works out to be, I don't know, I'm making it up at the moment, but $70 an ounce, that's ridiculous. Yes, it is. But that's the way it goes with fractional silver. So
it caters to a different coin.
Absolutely, it does.
It's still a super cool size nonetheless.
It is, and they're a fascinating coin. And just to give you some perspective, and I know this is a Britannia. That's the size difference, just for perspectives. So they're quite a small coin. So some people come in and go, oh, I'm here to pick up my 1/10s, and you give them the tube or whatever, and they open up and they go, wow, that's tiny, because they don't have any perspective. So I'm just trying to give you perspective with that. They're a beautiful coin. They're a lot of fun. They're a great gift because it gives people something to talk about. It's something different. It's great for education. I use them to give away to people to start that education conversation quite frequently. But they're good fun to have in your stack as well. And like I said right back at the start, if silver does go to the moon, this is a great way to get fractional silver where you can have it more barterable if that's up your alley. Anything you want to add to that, Rubes?
I think that's it.
All right. Grab them while you can. Like I said, we've only got a very limited number. We don't bring them in very often. And we will see you on the next unboxing.